Hey guys, it's your boy Hans here. Today we're going to Walmart to make a Wehrmacht uniform around 1939 era. So let's go on this wild and crazy ride together. Los geht's.
Okay, guys, we're going in. So, guys, today we're going to be looking at my kind of experience trying to make my own DIY uniform. I saw CountryTactical do it. Go check out his YouTube channel. I'll put a link in below the description about that. It inspired me to just see what I could do, see if I could do any better. And actually, I kind of think I did. Now, I should preface with he hasn't done World War II German uniform. He's just done World War I. And the German uniform he did was, I think, the first in his series. So he wasn't too experienced at it. I have not much experience doing it, but I've seen his videos, so I have an idea how to do it. And yeah, I just walked around Walmart, thought about some ideas, thought about what I wanted to come out with, and so I said, you know what, let's go with a German Army uniform, World War II. Why not? And I think it came out very nicely. I could have done a few more things, but I wanted to keep it pretty simple, so someone that doesn't have a lot of skill could do it. Now, most difficult thing in it is sewing, and it's some really basic sewing. It's not hard sewing at all. I am not a sewer, but I was able to do it to a satisfactory degree. So yeah, guys, just want to give you some background information while you're watching me shop, and let's go ahead, let's take a look at the finished product. See you in a sec, guys. Okay, so first thing is first, we have this crusher cap, if you will. It was the closest thing I could find to something at Walmart. Couldn't find a German helmet, obviously. Couldn't find any other field caps or anything. But it's Halloween time, so they had police hats. So as you saw, I grabbed some green spray paint, the best color to match the shirt. Took a police cap. I could have done a little better with the spraying job, but it worked. I think it does pretty well. But yeah, so this is just a police little cap of spray painted green. You know, it works. You can do the crush and so forth. Do the crush, man, dude. But yeah, I think it fits kind of nicely. It's pretty good for what it is. But yeah, next thing we're going to talk about is the epaulets. So I could have done a little bit more with the sewing, but I wanted to keep it pretty simple, you know. So I just sewed on epaulets. I didn't do any like black collar tabs or any like rank, and especially no national emblem. You don't want to do that. So yeah, I just sewed them on both sides. I think it came out pretty well. It's pretty sturdy. I quite like it. And then we'll talk about the shirt. So this is just a green button-up shirt I got at Walmart. Olive green. I thought it fit the color pretty nice because field gray can kind of be green. It just depends upon the light you see it in. So, and then the suspenders, they had some black suspenders at Walmart, and I'm gonna put the camera down, and you can see it's not just suspenders, but it's the Y-strap suspenders like the Germans had. So I thought that was pretty neat that they had that. And then the buckles for the suspenders are kind of like a hard material, so I just got like a $7 belt. Got that for the outside belt. Of course, I need a belt to keep my pants up too, because I don't have suspenders. But yeah, and that I didn't include in the price, by the way. Like things I did not include in the price were my belt for my pants, you know, like socks, t-shirt, what have you. But I included everything you needed to make sure that you would, you know, have the main things of the uniform. So I'm actually really pleased with it, like dead ass. Pretty pleased with it. I think it came out much better than what I was hoping. But yeah, I think it's pretty nice. All right, so let's keep on talking. We got, you know, just Walmart boots. So, and then stone gray pants, because early World War II they still had stone gray pants. And that's kind of what I went for, was 1939-esque look to it. But yeah. So let's just do some action shots, so to speak, and you know, see what you think of it. guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did like it, and you might be interested in more procrastinating worthy content, go ahead and check out my channel, and if you like a few things on there, heck, if you even like 2, hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, please do that for me. I'd appreciate it. Also, a warning of wisdom to you, okay? Not everyone understands that there are history buffs out there that just like uniforms. We just like the uniform and we think it is badass. We don't know why, we just do, okay? And some people cannot understand that we separate that uniform from the ideology of those who wore it. But that's just how it is. So, having said that, be careful what you wear and when you wear it. Okay, guys? Because, you know, this is just for coolness, just for fun. And so, yeah, I just wanted to say that. Peace, guys. Have a great day. And hopefully, I'll see you again sometime. Ciao.